10 interesting things to know about avocados. They are baby friendly.
Avocados are the same size of a baby in its mother's womb at 16 weeks. They are also a good snack to feed to babies young and old.
They are rich in fiber.
There are 10 grams of fiber in one medium-sized avocado. There are 2 grams of fiber in one serving, which is 1/5 of a medium avocado.
They have natural packaging.
Their thick skin protects them. It's natural packaging. You can't eat the skin, but it shields the green goodness inside and making avocado perfect for travel.
They help lower bad cholesterol.
Avocados are one of the only fruits that contain hard, healthy, unsaturated fat, the good-for-you fat, that helps boost good HDL cholesterol and lowers bad LDL cholesterol.
They upgrade dips and spreads.
An avocado serving size is 50 calories, which works out to be 3 thin slices or 2 tablespoons mashed. There are fewer calories than the same amount of butter, mayonnaise, sour cream, peanut butter, almond butter, olive oil, and coconut oil. Plus, avocados has over 20 vitamins and minerals to upgrade your natural diet. Use avocados as a substitute today.
Gluten, dairy, and cholesterol free.
Avocados are naturally full of nutrition, so there's no need for special labels. They're full of flavor. Think of all of the meals you can healthify with avocado.
You know when they are ripe and ready.
Avocados are ripe when they feel heavy for their size, yield to light pressure, and are dark in color. But don't squeeze these delicate babies too hard. Not ripe? Put in a brown bag for 2 to 4 days, or you can speed up the process by putting a banana or an apple in the bag.
They are an anti-aging powerhouse.
Avocados are one of the most inexpensive anti-aging tools for your skin. Don't let its rough outer covering fool you. The inner smoothness and creaminess are what you need for youthful skin. With all the nutrients, healthy fats, and vitamins, an avocado tree could be the next fountain tree of youth.
They have a fun etymology.
The word avocado comes from the Spanish word aguacate. It's also sometimes called the alligator pear due to the shape and rough skin. Cut it open and it looks like an alligator's eyes too.
Avocados need love too.
Avocado trees do not self-pollinate. They need another avocado tree close by to bear fruit. The avocado is an Aztec symbol of love and fertility, and they also grow in pairs on trees.
Thanks for watching.